Fire it up. Understanding the phrases, fire up. Hey there, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive deep into a common English phrase that you might hear in conversations, music, and movies, fire up. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it confidently in your own conversations. The phrase, fire up, can be taken quite literally at first. Imagine you're lighting a fire or starting an engine. When you fire up a grill, you're turning it on and getting it ready for cooking. Similarly, if you fire up a car, you're starting its engine. Example, I'm going to fire up the barbecue for the party tonight. More often, fire up is used figuratively. It can mean to make someone enthusiastic, excited, or angry. When someone says they're fired up about something, they are very passionate or excited about it. Examples: 1. The coach gave a speech to fire up the team before the big game. 2. She's really fired up about the new project at work. The phrase can also imply preparing or starting something, similar to the literal meaning, but in a broader context. Example, let's fire up this meeting with a quick icebreaker. Just like many English phrases, fire up often appears with certain words more frequently. Here are some of the common collocations. Fire up the crowd. This means to get the crowd excited. Fire up the engine. As mentioned, this means to start the engine. Fire up a conversation. This can mean to start or ignite a conversation, especially an engaging one. So there you have it, the various ways fire up is used in the English language. Whether you're literally starting a fire or just getting excited about something, now you know how to use and understand this phrase. We hope you're fired up to incorporate fire up into your vocabulary. Thanks for joining us today, and stay curious about the many colorful expressions in the English language.